Few people would argue that the brain is the most important organ in the human body. Yet we are facing an oncoming epidemic of degenerative brain conditions as the baby boomer generation begins to enter the old age population. Unfortunately, conventional medicine has very few effective treatments for these degenerative conditions such as dementia or Parkinson's disease. Yet at Vitallife, we have developed a number of cutting-edge therapies that can help to treat these conditions. One therapy that is of great value is the use of bioidentical hormones, because hormone therapy can help not only restore the vigor of youth, but it can also help improve memory, concentration, focus, and other degenerative brain conditions.